When a tree goes up in flames, it's not just falling, it's fueling a monster. That's why fire planes take it out fast, cutting off what keeps the fire alive. Control the fuel, control the blaze. This is what power looks like. The TigerCat 2000 series shear locked into a 720E Feller buncher. In North Florida's toughest jobs, it delivers unmatched efficiency, minimal maintenance, and maximum savings. Built to conquer where others fail. You've got stumps that won't budge, no problem. This excavator shows up, grabs one, chomp. It's history. Not magic, just raw, unstoppable power. This is where modern knights wield chainsaws instead of swords, facing off against towering timber like it's their destiny. It's Don Quixote reborn, in steel, sweat, and sawdust. Skill gets you in the game, but awareness keeps you in it. No matter how sharp you are, unseen risks can bring anyone down. Stay sharp. Stay safe. It was the kind of day made for logging, clear skies, roaring saws. But for one lumberjack, everything still went wrong, despite an exciting tree felling job and a spectacular somersault show. When tough stumps stand in your way, the Vermeer SC1052 gets the job done. Fast. Armed with a 115 horsepower engine and Vermeer's latest cutting system, it turns heavy-duty clearing into a streamlined operation. More than a machine, it's a productivity powerhouse. No PPE, no excuse. This man's got no eye shield, no helmet, no protection at all, and somehow he's still standing. But luck runs out fast. Skipping safety is never worth the risk. Now, this is a sight to remember. A log truck packed to the brim, grinding its way through the harshest winter trail. Pure grit, raw power. It doesn't get better than this. Alright, so this guy's putting in effort, sure, but it's a weird move and completely useless in the real world. Facing off with a massive redwood, no sweat. The Husqvarna 371XP carves through it like it's nothing. This legend, now rebuilt for modern hands, boasts a 105-centimeter reach and razor-sharp PR precision. It's not just a tool, it's a legacy in motion. Eve and Holly aren't just any horses, they're muscle, grit, and grace rolled into one. Watching them haul a 2-ton truck in 34-degree weather like it's nothing, that's next-level horsepower. The Carlton SP7015 is on a whole different level. 70-inch cutter, turbocharged diesel engine, it chews through stumps like they're made of butter. This isn't just powerful, it's terrifying in the best way. Go check it out. Normally, they say strength is in unity. But this might be one of those rare times where going solo makes more sense. Built like a beast, the D system doesn't stop grinding. It clears land with ease, powering through the toughest conditions. Its versatility across multiple machines makes it a must-have in the forestry world. I've worked with a lot of chippers, but nothing beats the Vermeer WC2300XL. It handles tough jobs effortlessly and runs efficiently even with today's fuel prices. The fact that keyware parts are replaceable, that's time and money saved. It's the smart choice, plain and simple. Cutting corners when felling trees, that's how injuries happen. Take your time, plan smart, and save yourself the pain and the cost. When winter hits hard, the Tatra Phoenix hits harder. Equipped with a V-blade plow, it doesn't just clear snow, it dominates it. A masterpiece of engineering that proves man can rise to meet nature head-on. Loving these machines? Hit that subscribe button now. We're always pushing the boundaries of technology and bringing you the most spectacular footage. Turn on notifications so you're the first to see our latest videos.